Hi guys! Last week you learned about some 3D shapes. Today we're going to review some of our 2D shapes, but we're going to put a twist on it. Did you know that if you had a 2D shape, you can make other shapes from that shape? If you put more than one shape together, you can create a bigger shape or a picture. Today I'm going to show you how you can have one big shape to create the smaller shapes. Okay, who knows what this shape is called? That's right, this is a square. But did you know that you could take a square and if you cut it down the side, diagonal, you would have two triangles. Or if you had two triangles, you could make a square. Here's our triangle. If you cut it down the middle, you could have two triangles. So by using our 2D shapes, we can make a bigger shape or a picture. Here's our square again. What do you think we can make with a square? We know that we can have two triangles to make up a square. What else? Oh wow, there are 4 triangles that makes up this square. What shape is this? Very good. This is a rectangle. And this rectangle is made up of 2 squares. 1, 2. 2 squares put together makes a rectangle.